What's going on YouTube? TyFinXKing.com. Hit you with another video. Turn brightness up on this thing. And I'm going to show you a nice tip on Acorns. I'm on Acorns right now. I'm on Acorns. I'm going to show you a tip how to get 2% cash back and also get a discount on what you're trying to purchase. So these are the offers on the found money on Acorns. So I am on Acorns. So just so you know, I'm on Acorns. Have to go to the found money. What you do is this. There are a lot of stores in here. You just shop anyway. Okay, a lot of stores in here. Here's one that you should be using anyway that everyone has on their phone, okay? You should be using Groupons. And I did a video on Groupons. Look at my past videos for Groupons. Groupons is a really good app to get into because it gives you discounts on restaurants and good deals all the time. Okay, so let's find Groupons. Here's Groupons here. So Groupons will give you 2% back invest into your Acorns account when you buy something from Groupons. You should be using Groupons anyway. Groupons is a terrific app. So you hit shop now. And it'll take you right into Groupon. So anything that I buy from here would be, would be 2% into my savings account. My Acorns account. So we put in food. Like I spell food today. Speaking of food, I need some. Food. So these are the discounts for food. If I go to these stores here, 12.50 for a meal. My internet's running slow. The restaurant tavern, you spend $18 for 30. Restaurant.com. Back here. Back here. Because it's running really slow for some reason. They got Hooters up here. They have bowling up here. They have weight loss. They have pizza in here. They have shows in here. Power washing, half off. Power washing is expensive. Discounts on Sam Club's membership. So you get a discount on your membership. You pay $35. Let's see what it says here. Because the membership is like $60 or $50 at Sam's Club. So 1 year is $35, and you get a $10 gift card with it. Plus, you get 2% invested into your account. How wonderful is that? So you should be using Groupons anyway. They have phones. They have this place called On the Rocks. It says $20 Groupon towards a brunch for 2 or more. Valid to what's already expired. But no, it shouldn't have expired. I could probably still use it. They have a lot of good stuff in here. Go to the skating rink. Instead of paying $20, you're paying $14. Stuff on Academies, Grubhub. And this app is really good for, say you go to Vegas or something, you go out of town and you don't know what to do and you got to look up things to do online, what they do around the city. Well, Groupons will use your GPS and you can also look at the deals that's going on. So there's rock climbing. There's golf, $9 for round 2. Round 2 mini golf, $9. So if you're on a date somewhere, you can use a Groupon, pay $9 for 1 round of golf, and you get 2% back invest in your Acorns account. How great is that? That's really great. Jiffy Lube. And I have the. So let me show you about this one. So let me show you this. I don't have it on this phone, but I have the another app, another cashback app. So if I use Jiffy Lube, if I buy anything from Jiffy Lube, I get 2% back on my purchase. I can use Groupons to get $30 off my oil change. And with Acorns, I can get 2% back invested in my account. So I love where you can have a Groupon. I'm loving that I use a Acorns offer for Groupon. Next, from Groupon, find something like Jiffy Lube that's already discounted. Next, I have another cashback app they give me 2% cash back on Jiffy Lube. So I'm making money. I'm getting money back. I'm gonna get a discount. I'm getting money back to my Acorns account. I love those ones. BJ's, Busch Gardens. They'll take us cost like $80 a person. Get it here for $50 plus get 2% cash back. Okay, so this is how you save money and get ahead on these cashback apps. All right, so I'm going to show you that with Acorns. If you use Groupon, that'd be a perfect thing to use. Groupon has everything on here. It's like a baby Amazon. It's like everything on here. So that's it for my video. If you want to get into Groupon, if you want to get that 2% invest to your stocks account, below the video I have a link to Groupons. If you sign up using my link, you get $5 free and I get $5. So go ahead, get your $5 free. Go ahead and use Groupons like you always have been using or should use it. Get the $30 off your oil change and get 2% back invested into your account. I have another cashback app. Look at my videos that give you 2% back on top of that. So you're making money on top of money and saving money. All right? So that's it for my video. Thanks for watching this. I'm just going by and seeing all the good stuff I can get. I mean, $9 off. Look at this right here. This is a good. So you get $16 worth of lunch for two, valid Monday through Friday for $9. That's great. So if you go to lunch at this restaurant, instead of paying, $16, $20, you pay the $9. And say the bill is $20, well, you pay the difference of 16. So you pay $9 plus $3, so you're paying $12 for lunch. So you're saving money. So you're trading in $9.25 for $16 in returns. So that's good money. So if you just spend $16 at lunch, you really spend $9.25. So and plus you get cash back on top of that. That's powerful. That's great. So thanks for watching my video. I see you again, and I'll do more of these apps and more videos, how to save money, how to make money online, how to invest in cutting off cable and doing Cody bills and do other things to help people save money and make money and use these cashback apps I'm into now. You gotta buy gas anyway. You gotta go out to eat anyway. You gotta shop at Walgreens anyway. Why not get cash back for these things? Because you do over time. Over 6 months, if you go to a store at least twice a week or a month, you save some money. TyForThat'sKing.com. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.